What? Got that on tape, folks. He did a wheelie. None other than Gravedigger. Getting to be some great recoveries. Yeah. Yeah. You're doing pretty good today. Pretty amazing. Merle Hay Mall, folks. There's Sears, Kohl's, and the towers, the haunted towers of Merle Hay Towers. It's famous for being haunted. Keep hearing a baby cry. Me and Hayden heard it one day. It's very spooky. Recovery after recovery. Pretty much a professional. He's had a little bit of experience. It's probably 4 times driving this truck. Seems to run around all day. We could be here all day. Bring it here. Oh, batteries are dying? Wow, finally. Alright. Time to take her into the shop. What do you have to say for yourself today, son? Did you have fun? Pretty good driver?
Look what happened.
Getting some scrapes.
Yeah.
It's taking a licking. Keeps on ticking.
Is that okay?
You have to kill the remote to that. Look at all those controls. Okay, right here, my hand. Over and out.